SKW Audiophiles RCA Cable 2 RCA Male to 2 RCA Male HiFi System Interconnect Cable with diameter 7 mm, 1.64 feet / 0.5 m, black, nylon. SKW RCA Cable, easy to pull for new work, great connections on each end. They are cleaner sounding with a more natural, neutral sound, affordable price, which was lower than a less desirable product with the same gauge from local hardware superstores. Compatible with 2 RCA, left, white / right, red, port. 24K gold-plated head anti-oxidation and damp, durable cable with diameter, OD, 7 mm. Shielding, 6N single crystal copper with 24K gold-plated connectors and nylon braided cable jacket. No more fear of wire breaking down after a few years of use with extra shielding. We have strict tests for each audio cable before we send it to you. The quality was far superior to other brand-used cables. It will hold up well over time. The components used and the thickness of the cable itself set it apart from cheaper cables. Please note, the connector may be a little tight. If you need to unplug it, please rotate it and then pull it out. It's been well thought out, designed, and built. Made with high-quality materials and engineering. Thickened gold-plated connector. Professional welding. Injection molding. High-strength protective layer. Designed as one organic structure. Sturdy and durable. Excellent sound quality. Clarity on highs and mids. Solid bass. Great transparency. Sound has more clarity, detail, and more open. Music and audio sounds perfect at any volume. Technical specifications. Stable transmission, 6N single crystal copper cable combined with a gold-plated ending ensure audio-video quality, reduce sound distortion. Nylon braided make cable more durable, flexible, easy to plug into your audio device, etc. 24K gold-plated head anti-oxidation and damp, durable cable with OD 7 mm. Advantage. Innovation and cutting-edge technology in this special audio cable with silver microconductors for over 14 years. Great signal for great sound, while maneuvering the ends, sound is terrific without distortion / short. Installation was easy and have a very elegant touch when I plug into the media. Worth every penny, this one is very solid, aesthetically pleasing, and has great sound quality, definitely worth the extra few dollars if you value longevity. Compatible. Works great with HD TV, home theater systems, hi-fi amplifier, soundbar, turntable, phono preamp, gaming consoles, A/V receiver audio equipment or any equipment with 2 RCA, left/right, port.